Imagine living in a home that's completely yours. No mortgage, no debt, just pure financial freedom. We're unlocking the secrets to paying off your mortgage faster and owning your home debt-free sooner. That's right, we're talking years, potentially even decades, shaved off your mortgage, saving you tens, maybe even hundreds of thousands of dollars in interest. I'm Anna, and in this video, I'm breaking down the most powerful strategies that helped me and countless others escape the mortgage trap. If you're ready to build real wealth and own your home free and clear, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. All right, let's kick things off with a strategy that's simple but incredibly effective: biweekly mortgage payments. Instead of paying once a month, split your mortgage payment in half and pay every 2 weeks. There are 52 weeks in a year, right? So, by paying biweekly, you end up making 26 half payments, which equals 13 full payments per year. That one extra payment goes straight towards chipping away at your principal balance, which means you pay less interest over the life of the loan. It's like a secret weapon against those pesky interest charges. By breaking down that big monthly payment into smaller, more manageable chunks, you'll barely even notice the difference. Plus, many lenders are totally cool with biweekly payments. Just give them a call and they can walk you through setting it up. You'll thank yourself later when you're mortgage-free years earlier. This next strategy is all about harnessing the power of small, consistent actions. We're talking about rounding up your mortgage payments. Instead of paying that exact amount, round it up to the nearest 100, or even better, the nearest 1,000. Now you might be rolling your eyes thinking, what's an extra $68 or $568 going to do? Well, it can shave years off your mortgage and save you a boatload in interest payments. Think of it like this. Those small, consistent extra payments act like a snowball rolling down a hill. Each roundup adds to the momentum, growing larger and larger over time. Before you know it, that snowball is an avalanche of savings, crushing your mortgage debt. You can set up automatic roundups through many mortgage lenders, or even use apps designed specifically for this purpose. Embrace the roundup and watch as it transforms your mortgage payoff journey. We've all been there. You get a sudden influx of cash, whether it's a tax refund, a work bonus, a gift from a relative, or even some extra income from a side hustle. It's tempting to splurge on a vacation, a fancy gadget, or that designer handbag you've had your eye on, but hold on a second. Before you go on a spending spree, consider this. What if you took that windfall and threw it straight at your mortgage principal? Think about it. A $5,000 tax refund might seem like a lot, but it can disappear pretty quickly on frivolous things. Now, imagine taking that same $5,000 and putting it towards your mortgage principal. On a 30-year mortgage, that could knock off 2 to 3 years instantly. That's right. You could literally buy yourself years of freedom from mortgage payments with one smart financial move. So, next time you get a windfall, don't blow it. Make a strategic decision to invest in your future and watch your mortgage disappear faster than you ever thought possible. All right, let's talk about refinancing. Refinancing basically means swapping out your current mortgage for a new one with different terms. One of the biggest reasons is to snag a lower interest rate. Even a small decrease in your interest rate can save you tens of thousands of dollars over the life of your loan. You can also refinance to a shorter loan term. So if you're currently stuck in a 30-year mortgage, you could refinance to a 15-year mortgage. Even though your monthly payments might increase a bit, you'll be paying off your mortgage in half the time. That means you'll be free from those pesky mortgage payments years earlier, and you'll save a small fortune in interest payments over the life of the loan. If you're serious about accelerating your mortgage payoff journey and saving a boatload of money, refinancing is definitely a strategy worth considering. All right, let's talk about a strategy that's perfect for those who love simplicity and immediate impact: making one extra mortgage payment each year. Here's the beauty of this strategy. You don't have to come up with a huge lump sum all at once. Instead, break it down into manageable chunks throughout the year. For example, let's say your monthly mortgage payment is $1,500. To make one extra payment annually, all you need to do is set aside an extra $125 per month. That's it. You can easily work that into your budget by cutting back on a few non-essential expenses. Every dollar you put towards your principal early on is a dollar that's not accruing interest. That one extra payment each year can shave years off your mortgage term and save you thousands in interest payments. Commit to making one extra payment each year. Your future self will thank you for it. All right, let's get real for a second. We all have areas in our budget where we could cut back a little, right? Whether it's that daily latte, those subscription boxes we never use, or those impulse purchases that drain our bank accounts, there's always room for improvement. By trimming the fat in your budget and redirecting those savings towards your mortgage, you could significantly accelerate your payoff journey. Let's say you commit to cutting back on unnecessary expenses and manage to save an extra $200 per month. That's $200 that could be going straight towards your mortgage principal instead of fueling your latte addiction or that online shopping habit. Consistently applying an extra $200 per month towards your mortgage could potentially knock years off your loan term and save you thousands in interest payments. It's all about being mindful of your spending habits and making conscious choices that align with your financial goals. Take a look at your budget and identify areas where you can cut back. You might be surprised at how much you can save without even feeling the pinch. All right, are you ready for a strategy that can supercharge your mortgage payoff journey? I'm talking about house hacking. This strategy is not for the faint of heart, but if you're willing to get creative and put in a little extra effort, it can be a game changer. So, what exactly is house hacking? In a nutshell, it's about leveraging your property to generate rental income that you can then use to offset your mortgage payments. One option is to rent out a spare room in your home. Another option is to explore short-term rentals through platforms like Airbnb. This can be particularly lucrative if you live in a desirable location or have a unique property that appeals to travelers. And if you're feeling really ambitious, you could even consider buying a multi-unit property and living in one unit while renting out the others. This strategy allows you to become a landlord and generate substantial rental income that can be used to pay down your mortgage at lightning speed. With the right planning and a little bit of elbow grease, house hacking can be a rewarding experience that helps you achieve financial freedom faster. So, there you have it. 7 powerful strategies to help you break free from the shackles of mortgage debt and own your home free and clear. It's about taking control of your finances, building a solid foundation for your future, and achieving the peace of mind that comes with owning your home outright. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these strategies resonated with you the most? Are you ready to commit to crushing your mortgage debt? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Until next time, keep hustling and stay focused on your financial freedom.